guys, welcome back to That Smoothie Girl. Today's smoothie will be from Sondi Bruner's Simple Superfood Smoothies book, the Fragrant Strawberry-Basil Smoothie. Basil has a lot of health benefits. It holds several essential oils, which helps fight off inflammation in your body as well as alleviates anxiety and depression. So basil is a great holistic approach to healing your body. Let's begin. For this recipe you will need frozen strawberries, almond milk, honey, and fresh basil. We will start with our frozen strawberries. We will need 1.5 cups thoroughly thawed for better blending. Next will be our basil. The recipe calls for 6 fresh basil leaves, but that was a little too strong for me, so I would cut that in half if you're not a huge fan of basil. Now take your honey and measure out 1 teaspoon. You can use maple syrup if you prefer. Lastly, we will add 1.5 cups of almond milk. And if you would like, you can also add half a teaspoon of cinnamon for more sweetness or just for the health benefits such as anti-inflammatory and balancing blood sugar. Blend for 1 to 2 minutes depending on your consistency preference. The less you blend, the thicker the smoothie. It's time to grab your favorite glass, pour and enjoy. I personally thought it was a little too basily, so next time I will definitely use 3 leaves instead of 6. Other than that, I love the consistency and it was a nice, cold, refreshing smoothie for these hot summer days. Feel free to let me know if you try this recipe. Thank you all so much for hanging out. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't be afraid to hit that bell for more videos like this. See you guys next time.